Hey, I'm Andy, and this is Sell to Singularity, Evolution Never Ends, and this is a free clicker that I saw in Steam, which I'll link to in the description down below for those that are interested, and yeah, it just started asking me about my consent, and apparently I don't have an option, I just have to choose yes. But based on the screenshot, it looks like there's a lot of different evolutionary options, and they apparently added capybaras to it, so yeah, I don't know how this will go, how this will start, and obviously, since this is a clicker game, it's going to take a while to get to like the later stages, but this is my first time playing it, so it's just like the first however many minutes, so
Thank you.
we'll just see how this goes. And I wonder if there's like anything that they would have put in for people to spend money with, or is it just like completely free game? Alright, well, I guess we click. Yeah, we click. Oh, jeez. So we had to, you collected some entropy. Okay, use entropy by evolution upgrades. Alright, to move, click and drag, or use arrow keys. We're gonna use click and drag. Then we can get planet Earth. Okay. Earth provides just the right mixture of chemicals, an abundance of water, and an oxygen-rich atmosphere, creating the ideal environment for developing life. So I wonder, like, since this is about science, I wonder if it's going to be completely accurate or if there's going to be some liberties. So you can get primordial soup and the moon. Okay, what's that? Oh, cool, that gives us 99. Or I guess 100. So I guess we can get primordial soup as well. On the primeval planet Earth, an atmospheric solution rich in organic compounds set the ideal conditions for the development of life. Alright. So right now, as you can see, it's totally reliant on clicks. Right now I'm not clicking, it's getting 0 for a second. So I wonder if there's going to be any idle mechanics as well. So we got nucleotides and amino acids. And it looks like it's going to branch out into more stuff. Let's check out amino acids. Atoms and molecules bond together. Oh, this is like... Oh, I'm reliving like science class all over again. Atoms and molecules bond together to create amino acids, organic compounds that combine to build proteins. They are some of the most essential building blocks for life. Sure. Amino acids are the building blocks of life. Okay. Oh, cutscene. We created life. Sure. Every life you buy earns more background. So there is an idle mechanic, okay? And it's basically life. Oh. Quantum charge. Trigger this quantum charge to earn evolution. No? What? So I assume like this pink cube is like the cash currency? Do I have? Okay, so yeah, you have to buy that. The pink cubes are that. Okay. So let's see. We can research nucleotides. Entropy tap gains +1 per tap. DNA 100% more efficient. Entropy tap for moon gains +4 per tap. Okay. So what's ready? Mutation accelerator. Add power to the accelerator and receive a ×2 income boost for 30 minutes. Okay. Use Darwinium to now. So I can see it's like it's pressing people to buy. I mean, which is fair. It is a free game, so that is what it is. Alright, let's check. So we got Earth. What's that? Shooting star. Your tapping is 30 times more powerful for 15 seconds. We can boost. So then we can zoom in. Okay. That's nice. So we can upgrade the amino acids if we want. Atoms and molecules, yeah. So then proteins cost 300. This is, I guess we'll get unlocked later if we get higher amino acids. Nucleotides. Nucleotides are the chemical compounds that build the foundation for DNA and RNA. Alright. So we have enough for DNA. A molecule with the unique property of self-replication. DNA's infinite configurations form the foundations of all evolutionary changes. It contains the genetic instructions for all life on Earth. Hey, there we go. I wonder how we get like capybaras into this. Because like the screenshots on the Steam page look crazy. So we got DNA, we got amino acids, we can upgrade both of them if we want. But I mean, so the amino acids are cheaper, but they produce less. So the DNA right now produces 5 times more, but it costs about 10 times more. So I think it's cheaper to upgrade the amino acids right now. Oh, there's a volcano. Okay. So let's keep upgrading. Okay. So we still need to get the moon and all that stuff. So now we're clicking for 2. Alright. So, oh yeah, so I guess... So I guess we can just buy it here for it to be better. Okay, that's a lot of... Oh, you can rotate. I didn't notice. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, it's only left and right rotate. It's not like you can rotate up and down. It's just left and right. I mean, it's still cool. I wasn't expecting that. Can we rotate the Earth? I mean, we can rotate the Earth itself, just not the orbit. I mean, which is fine. Alright, that's actually an upgrade. Wasn't there like... I swore there was like another research, but I guess we already... So I guess what we see here is just here, just in a more concise form. Okay. It is what it is. I'm probably gonna get the moon next. So let's see. So right now there's like... I don't know if there's gonna be a difference with tapping here versus tapping here. Let's unlock the moon. The moon is born when a Mars-sized object hits the young Earth. Do we get to see that animation? No, we just get the moon. Alright, so now we get 6 per tap. So I'm not using an auto clicker. Although I can see like people getting like progress faster if they use auto clickers, obviously, but DNA 100% more efficient, sure. So we got some proteins. So you like you can't see it on the left bar here, but I feel like it's a little bit more. It's better, I guess, visually for me to see it as like what I'm seeing right now. Plus, we can also like click in this area too, so it really doesn't matter what screen. Where's the protein? The building blocks of living cells. Proteins are molecules made from long chains of amino acids. Yes, so it really doesn't matter where you click, but you still get the entropy clicks. Ooh. Amino acids 300% more efficient, so we can get RNA. But do I want other stuff? We can get the prokaryotic cell. That name is vaguely familiar. The first living organism. These I've seen these before in like science books. These tiny unicellular organisms lacked a membrane-wrapped nucleus, but paved the way for the rest of life to begin. Oh, that opened up a lot of things. I get an achievement. The first lines of life bubble up in the primordial soup. Exploration. Wait, what was that? Oh yeah, I've definitely seen these before in science books. Alright. What was that? The exploration hub starts in 5 hours, 22 minutes. I will probably be sleeping by then. Alright, so that opened up a lot of things. The virus? I don't know why you want to get that. A virus? So it gets... It gives us... It becomes... It makes the cell more efficient. Okay. A virus is a biological agent that replicates within other cells. Surprisingly, if it were not for the virus' ability to infiltrate the DNA of organisms, humans might not even exist. A nucleus, a cell's control center. The nucleus contains the chromosomes that house DNA. Cars of the cell. I've heard that phrase so many times that I know where it originated from. The mitochondria are organelles that convert glucose to energy. So it's like it's keeping I think this is like the first time I've seen like clicker game that is like accurate to science, I guess, or I guess to anything. Most of the clicker games are just like fictional stuff, but this is rooted in science, which is pretty cool. Bacteria are unicellular microorganisms that have cell walls, but none of the organelles that make up multicellular organisms. While some can make you sick, most bacteria are harmless and many are actually necessary for you to survive. Okay, then we can get the plasma membrane. The plasma membrane protects the interior cells from the environment. It makes the DNA more efficient. Yes. Alright, so we're now at 6.5, but I mean, it's being boosted right now, I think. Yeah, 2 times boost, so it is what it is. We're still at 6, which is fine. Oh, I don't know if I should go for like the cheapest first or just save if I want to go for like the volcano. The amino acids 200% more efficient. Okay. And the carbon dioxide produced by erupting prehistoric volcanoes warmed the Earth and was a major catalyst in making Earth habitable in its early stages of development. Okay, we got RNA. It's responsible for transferring genetic code from the nucleus to ribosomes to make proteins. It controls gene expressions and regulation. Alright, so we're almost... Yeah, I'm gonna get the volcano. I'm gonna see if it actually forms it here. So do we see a volcano? Oh, we don't. Oh. So what's this? Logit console info. The Logit console is where you can spend Logits to buy artifacts and various cosmetic upgrades. Exploration events are limited time events that occur. Oh, so that's what the thing's for. You get a nano cat. Oh, there's a capybara. Okay. Get a velocity artifact, flat Earth, donut, the wireframe Earth, Pangea Earth, Moonlight Valley, Island Time outfit, basic worm. Oh, jeez. The original tetrapod. Oh, there's a lot of stuff here. Alright, let's go back here. Oh, we can get the ozone. Oh, this is locked. Glitch. Simulation cannot visualize. So I guess. Huh. Okay, this is like the only glitch. Okay. So what can we do? I mean, we can buy the RNA now, which I guess we'll do. So some stuff we can't just upgrade. Some are just a flat out purchase. So far we can only upgrade these 3 things. Alright, so we're at 22 per second. Okay, we're going at a steady pace. I assume there's gonna be a lot more to this than just this square, and I assume there's just like with most clicker games, there's like a rebirth ability, which I assume this is gonna be called the Big Bang. I could be wrong though. So ozone layer is 65,000. So the ozone layer in the Earth's stratosphere protects the planet from ultraviolet radiation. Over time, human pollution has damaged this essential barrier. Alright, we can get mitochondria, we can get nucleus. Let's get nucleus first. Even though the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Alright. So there's no way to upgrade the entropy clicks for now, because most of my I guess most of my currency is being used or is being gained from the DNA amino acids and the prokaryotic. I mean, I can click like really fast to like speed it up a little bit, but or I can, I guess, like double it, but it is what it is. We'll get the bacterium. Get the bacterium first because it makes the DNA more efficient. So it's currently producing 4 per second. So I don't know what the time. I guess the times 3 is like the boost, maybe. But then this one only is times 1, so I'm not sure. Get the mitochondria. I'll get the virus first. Oh, we can get the mitochondria as well. So that's a eukaryotic cell. The prokaryotic cell's more complex cousin. Eukaryotic cells have a nucleus to store genetic information. Fungi, plants, animals, and protozoa are all built of eukaryotic cells. Alright. This is very educational, and you rarely, I mean, not you, but I have rarely seen that in a clicker game. Like, sure, there's like educational games out there, but I haven't seen one in a clicker form until now. It's really unique and interesting, and I think like that's what makes it stand out from all the other clicker games out there. So, like, maybe there's more rooted in like biology, nature, science, and all that stuff, but this is like the first one I've experienced. So, really interesting stuff. So I don't know when I'm gonna stop, because this I'm assuming this is like the very beginning. We'll get mitosis. It's a process of asexual reproduction where one cell divides into two identical cells. It occurs only in eukaryotic cells and enables single cell organisms to multiply. And we can get asexual reproduction. Alright. We can just upgrade. So the amino acid upgrade is about the same price as the DNA. So right now I guess the DNA one is worth, it's better to upgrade because you'll get more. Alright. So I'm still not understanding like the ×4 though. Is it because is it the bonus? Because right now it's like, so the DNA is producing 4 per second, but then it says 16. Oh, is it because I have 4 okay. Oh yeah, I understand now, duh. So one amino acid produces 1.6 per second, but since I have 16 of them, it's producing that much per second. Okay, that makes complete sense. I don't know how I overlooked that simple part, but what's this? Achievement. There's the achievement. Beginnings. Prokaryotes have high metabolic and growth rates, leading them to be not only the first true organisms on Earth, but also one of the most prolific. Alright, so we can upgrade, or we can get the eukaryotic cell, sure. Oh, it just like spews out all the stuff we bought. Alright, so apparently we can get badges too. System log. This data log is a transcript of all some operation of artificial. It records events for posterity in the event of a malfunction. Oh, so it's like it's actually tracking our history in a like a neat way. Cool. So let's go back to the tree. So there's filter feeding, tissue, and cytoplasm that we can get. So filter feeding, a passive way of finding nourishment, involves having nutrients filtered through an organism's body. This is the feeding method of choice for shellfish, krill, and sponges. Sure. And tissues are groups of cells come together to perform a specific function. Organs are formed by groups of tissues. Sure. Oh wow, we can actually get muscles and nervous systems next. Nice, so I wonder, let semblance take you on a limited time journey. What worldly secrets are out there to explore? Assist our mission as you find more information to strengthen the simulation. And cytoplasm is a gel-like colorless substance that fills the inside of a eukaryotic cell. It is secured by the cell membrane and all of the organelles float in it. Nice. We can just upgrade all this stuff. Get 20 of those. Get 10 of those. And I guess 1 of these, or I guess 5. So I guess I'll just end this here while this generates in the background. Really cool stuff. So like we have, so I don't know what the events are, but they seem interesting. I assume it's gonna be like on a different world or something. Because it says on a limited time journey, so yeah, maybe it's like within a section of the Earth or something. What is that? Shooting star. Like the way that they want you to pay money is for like boosts and stuff. I mean, it is what it is. It's showing you like you have the option, but I don't think it's mandatory, or at least right now it doesn't feel like it. But as I was saying, like there you have this view of the Earth. Let's get a sponge. And then you have this view of all the things that you upgraded, or not upgraded, but all the things you bought that generates the passive income. And then, yeah, let's get the sponge. The world's first multicellular organism. Sponges are stationary filter feeders. They are a product of multiple eukaryotic cells coming together. The one becomes many. The first multicellular organism emerges. And I guess, ooh. Okay, we get actual, like, inside the Earth. I guess the water. So I guess we have Earth, the cellular level, the sea level, and I guess there's gonna be like a ground level and so on and so forth. Okay. Let me get cytoplasm as well. Unlocks daily reward. Why wouldn't I get that? Claim a reward. It seems generous. I don't know what the question mark is, but sure. But I don't like that it's based on when you received your last reward instead of it resetting at a certain time for everyone. Like, it makes it easier to miss one, I feel like, but maybe that's just me. So we have all this. We have a boost that we can do, a time flux, entropy burst, and we can get Darwinium too if we want. But I mean, it is what it is. I usually play these as free to play, so. I mean, if you want to support them, then yeah. Because like, pay to win in like these single player clicker type games are just purely for your own. It's not like in an MMO where there's an advantage to be gained over other people. So maybe that's just me. I don't want to go on a rant about pay to win. Okay, asexual reproduction. Similar to mitosis, asexual reproduction is the process by which an entire organism is produced from a single parent. Some types of asexual reproduction are budding, sporification, and parthenogenesis. Okay, well, we're getting a lot. The next one is sexual reproduction. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna end this here. This was Cell to Singularity. Evolution never ends. So I assume there's gonna be like a whole ton. Oh, I can't. Okay. So since we unlocked the water, you can see like there's like a water area right here. That's cool. So yeah, like I said, I'll link to the Steam page in the description down below for those that are interested. It is free to play, so if you like clicker games, feel free to check it out. It's not sponsored by anyway, so I just saw this on Steam, saw it was interesting, and the fact that it's like, I guess, edutainment, where you learn all these things, it's really neat. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, thank you for watching, and have a nice day.